Alright, in this segment we're going to show taking the old Honda head off. Once we get the Honda head off, you'll be able to see the mounting plate where the glide valve head will bolt right to it. So I'm going to have Gary pull the push rods out and take the head off while you're watching. This is the first push rod, second push rod. That's it pushes the valves open and close from the camshaft that's down in the interior of the block. This is really to show how easy it is to retrofit a current head to the glide valve head. And there we go. There's the mounting plate for the glide valve head, and in our next segment we'll show mounting the glide valve head back to this same block and then running the same engine with a completely different head.